Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to unblock phone numbers on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the phone app, then tap on calls. Now if the phone number you want to unblock had called you recently and you blocked them after, you can find the phone number right here. Just tap on the number. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of unblock contact. Just tap on it and you will unblock the contact which you have blocked. Now, if the number is already saved in your contacts, then you can open contacts, and from here, just select the contact which you want to unblock. Now, at the bottom of the page, just tap on unblock contact, and you will unblock the contact which you have blocked. Now, for the third method, just go to your home screen and open settings. In settings, just tap on apps. Now, from this app list, just open the phone app. At the bottom of this page, you will find the option of block contacts. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the contacts which you have blocked. To unblock the contact, just swipe the contact which you want to unblock to the left side and select unblock. And by doing that, you will successfully unblock the contact on your iPhone. And this is how you can unblock phone numbers on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.